Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a workout haul for you guys. I know I'm as shocked as you are. It's crazy, right? But I am trying to get fit, so I'm going to be showing you my $1 essentials for my gym bag from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be hauling a bunch of really nice clothes for the gym, and then I'm going to be talking about the Poshmark app that I use to kind of declutter my closet and get rid of some stuff. I always get rid of things when I buy new things, and I bought more than what I'm going to be showing you. I just didn't want this video to be too long, so I showed you the cream of the crop. And plus I bought some everyday clothes, so I don't know if you'd want to see that in a separate video, but definitely let me know. So if you want to see my $1 gym essentials and my workout clothes, then get cozy because I have a feeling this is going to be a long video. So let's start off with Dollar Tree. I like to add some essentials or just in case items into my gym bag so that I do not sabotage my workout by forgetting something. Although I do love self-sabotaging my workouts because that means I get to go home and be lazy. But I am trying to be a little bit better, and by a little bit I mean I'm very strict now. I'm in it to win it, you guys. I'm in it to win. The first thing that I got is this deodorant. This is actually the Secret brand, and it is a travel size. Ladies, men, if you're watching, it's usually men that I need to direct this at. You need deo for your BO if you're going to be working out at the gym and working up a sweat, because it is not pleasant when that guy or that girl walks by you at the gym and you just get that waft of onions in your face and you're like, dude, I didn't need to smell that at 6 a.m. Like, please get it together. It costs $1. So they do have a full size there in a few different brands, but I like Secret, so I went with the travel size. Plus it's easy to store away and to organize in my bag. Next, I got these brand name hair ties and headbands. This is the Goody brand, and these are colorful. There are some black ones. I prefer black, but I recently hauled a pack this big of black ones from Dollar Tree, so I just got this to stock up. I stash hair ties everywhere, you guys, everywhere. I stash them in my desk, in my car, every single purse, every single bathroom, every single bedroom. I mean it, everywhere. So I just grabbed these to throw in my gym bag because I didn't have a pack for my gym bag yet. And then I also got these headbands. These are the Scoonchy or Scunchie brand. You get the braided one and this like kind of double heathered gray one. These cost like $4 or $5 at Walmart or the drugstore, so this is good quality. This is the best quality you're gonna get at the drugstore, and you're gonna pay less if you find it at Dollar Tree. Next, I picked up this really pretty, very vibrant pink water bottle. It has the polka dots. It is so cute, and best of all, I don't know if you can see that, it is BPA free. So I don't know if you can see, it is a little bit squishier, not as hard of a plastic as, like, you know, a nicer water bottle like a Nalgene or whatever those are called, but like, I can sleep easy at night knowing that I don't have the best water bottle. It's not something that I care too much about. I have bigger fish to fry in life than to worry about that. So I got this and I'm happy with it. This is actually an upgrade for me because I've been drinking a gallon of water a day from an actual milk jug. So I look high class when I have this as opposed to my milk jug water. Next, I picked up these makeup removing cloths. They're just called cleansing cloths. They're 100% cotton. They don't have any kind of substance on them. They're just, you use them with water or your makeup remover, whatever. I don't really like the makeup wipes from Dollar Tree a whole lot, so I thought these were great just to quickly take off my makeup if I happen to go to the gym after work. It's nice to have in case of an emergency, like I've been saying. And the last item that I have are these headphones. I think the smartest thing I ever did was start putting like a cheap pair of headphones in my gym bag in case I forget my nicer pair. So I just won't work out if I can't listen to my own music. My workout will literally suck. And I remember one time I left my headphones at home. I was so desperate for headphones, and I work out at a Planet Fitness, and I knew that they sold headphones at the desk. So I went up, they told me they were $10. I wasn't happy about it, but I thought, you know, $10 isn't too bad for headphones. I'll use them down the line, whatever. Would you believe me if I told you that they sold me Dollar Tree headphones for 10 bucks? They were literally Dollar Tree quality. I was so mad. I was about to sue them over those $9, but I kept it calm and I kept it moving. And from here on out, I buy Dollar Tree headphones to just stash away just in case. Are they great? No, but they do get the job done. Okay, so now let's move on to the clothes that I hauled. I am a firm believer in only buying and wearing what makes you feel 100% great, comfortable, pretty, and then just getting rid of things in your closet at your own pace that don't make you feel great as you buy things that do make you feel great. I honestly think that's why I've been feeling so good lately. In addition to getting back into the gym and eating better, I just love the clothes that I have recently picked up, and I feel good in them. I feel pretty. I'm not concerned and self-conscious about the way that I look in them, and honestly, I'm kind of feeling myself, you guys. And I don't feel bad about it because I mean, we should all feel good about ourselves, and even though I'm the fluffiest, I've been saying fluffy instead of heavy. Fluffy just sounds cuter. I'm the fluffiest I've ever been, but that's the beauty of a curated closet, is that every single thing in your closet eventually will be a go-to piece that you can grab without thinking and feel wonderful. So with all that being said, whenever I buy new stuff, I either donate or sell old stuff that isn't working for me anymore, or I don't feel great about myself in, and I like to do that by either donating to Goodwill. I sometimes sell to a local consignment shop, or I will sell things on the Poshmark app. Everything in this video that I am showing you that I purchased, I did purchase with my own money, but this quick portion of the video is sponsored by Poshmark, and I do want to say thank you to Poshmark, and I want to especially say thank you to my viewers who are so cool about any kind of sponsored content that I put out. I want you guys to know that I will never talk about something on my channel that I don't think could benefit you in some way and aligns with me as well. And I will always say in my video, put it in my video like I am right now, that it's sponsored.
Unlike other YouTubers who really need to get their acts together.
You guys don't deserve to have to hunt down this information. You should be told it up front. You shouldn't have to read it in a description box. I don't even care if the rules say all you have to do is put it in a description box. YouTubers should give you the common courtesy to tell you up front. But I'm done being shady. Let's talk about the app and then get into the clothes. If you aren't familiar, which I'm sure you are because everybody knows Poshmark, I had a Poshmark account well before they ever contacted me. It is an app where you can buy and sell new and gently used clothing and kind of fashion accessories. It's a really nice way to declutter your closet or to purchase new things if you're on the market for something new. You can sign up really easily and for free. I will leave a link, the first link in my description box below, that you can click and sign up. I'll also leave my closet name below so you can look and see what is in my closet. I listed some pieces, like I said. Some are, I think about half of the things in my closet still have the tags on them, and some are gently used. I'm selling things from workout clothes to accessories to everyday fashion. I'm selling this gorgeous top that I only wore one single time with this pretty crocheting. This is such a pretty top. It's just personally a little bit too revealing for my style these days. I also listed this little workout top. It's a pretty kind of apricot pinky color, and my favorite part is that it has this scoop in the back. So these are just things that didn't really work out for me, or I wasn't really grabbing for because I had something that I liked more in my closet. Doesn't mean they're bad, they just weren't for me. And that's kind of what I'm preaching about here, is I'm trying to work on buying things that are high quality and make me feel amazing. So you can list some things in your closet and make a little bit of extra money, and decluttering is a plus side to that as well. And you can put that money towards making a perfect closet for yourself, buying the workout pieces that make you feel like $1,000,000 and the clothes that make you excited to get dressed in the morning. And of course, you can go on there and shop for things that maybe are out of your price range normally. You can look for the new with tags and gently used and add them to your wardrobe, and that's a great way to build it as well. There are tons and tons of different brands on this app. There's luxury like Louis Vuitton. There are workout brands like Adidas, Lululemon, Nike. There are kind of mid-range designers like Michael Kors. And of course, there are just middle-of-the-road brands like Old Navy, Target, Nordstrom. I have things from all of those brands that I have listed in my own closet. Click the link below and sign up. If you do sign up or you already have an account, please leave your closet name in the comments below so we can all snoop around each other's closets. If you guys are like me, then you're a little bit nosy. So this video is already getting kind of long. I'm just going to leave links and leave pricing in the description box below so that I don't have to go over it all, and you can just check down there if you see anything in this video that you like. And yeah, let's just jump into the clothing haul now because I'm so excited about all of these things that I got. So the first item that I got is actually this t-shirt. It is just a simple white Adidas t-shirt. I got this on a flash sale for like over 50% off, and I'm not really going to wear this to the gym. This is more like a leisure top the way I'm wearing it now, or I will also wear this if I'm taking Chip for a long walk. I don't typically like to wear white and really light colors in the gym, which is why I am selling this, which is something that I recently found out about myself. I just worry too much if it looks unflattering, if you can see through it, this and that. So I did love this top for just everyday wear when I'm not like kind of sweaty, so I picked this. I also got these two bras. I don't know, is that weird to show you guys my bras? Hopefully you don't think so. We're all adults here, right? I don't know, some of you aren't really adults, but my analytics tell me that most of you are adults my age and older. So these are just from Meyer, and this is just like a pink one that has a little bit of mesh, and this is a black one that has the crisscrossing in the back. These are really cute. I got these for 40% off at a Meyer grocery store, which is basically like a Walmart if you don't have a local Meyer. And I love their workout clothes. I also love Walmart's workout clothes. But why I love these is because the cups are kind of like molded or like padding built in, and it's really great for extra support, and also it kind of hides if you get cold, if you catch my drift. I wish I knew how to wink, I don't. If you get cold at the gym. And one time someone described that to me as smuggling raisins. So if you smuggle raisins into the gym and you don't want anyone to know, you need to get yourself a kind of padded molded bra like this, and they were 40% off, so that was amazing. Next, I picked up these leggings. These are by the brand Reebok, and I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, there is a slight embossing in them, and then they have mesh down here, and I got these for like under $20. These are my absolute favorite leggings of all time. I have repurchased this style of legging from Reebok like at least 15 times over the past 9 years. I will not do high intensity workouts in any other leggings than the Reebok leggings that are like this. They have such compression in the waist, such tummy control, that it really sucks you in and holds you in place, so you're not all over the place, so to speak, when you're doing high intensity workouts like sprints, distance running, and jumping. But with that being said, they aren't very comfortable to wear all day long, in my opinion, but they're so worth it. And like I said, they're the only thing that I will do high intensity workouts in. So I wear these in a size large, and you guys, I am very bottom heavy. I kind of fall in this weird place right now at the weight that I'm at, which is the heaviest that I've ever been, where sometimes straight sizes, meaning like small through large or even extra large, aren't fitting me the way that they should, but plus size is too big. So if that just kind of gives you an idea of the size that I am, but I do wear a large in these, so I think that if you're kind of like maybe 16, a size 16 and below, you can get away with these. If you're a 16, I would maybe do an extra large. If you're like a 14 to 10, a large, so on and so forth. And I think Reebok does have plus sizes as well. My other favorite leggings though are the brand Zella, and these are actually inside out, embarrassingly, because I just washed them. So there's the brand there. I do get a large in these as well. And again, I think if you're like a 16 and smaller, you can do the straight sizes, extra small through extra large. And I will link below a sale pair of the plus size ones as well. So I got these for 50% off. These are exclusive to a high-end department store, but I did find them at their discount rack store, so that was amazing. They do have this thick waistband. You can see it goes from here to here. It really sculpts, it holds you in without as much compression, so it's very slimming, and they are so pitch black that you can wear these in your everyday life, like with your regular tops, like tunics and stuff. They look really good. These are fun because they have the cutouts. Honestly, I wasn't sure how the cutouts would look, but they are fine. I would actually kind of prefer them without the cutouts, but like I said, they're cute and I feel amazing in them. And I'm going to link below the full-length version. I have the full-length version of these without the cutouts as well. And I love those. I wear them almost every single day, and I'll link any sale ones that I can find below as well. The last two items that I got are a couple of t-shirts, and this t-shirt is in an extra large. You can see there's room. I prefer my workout and like athleisure tops to be on the baggier side so that I'm not worrying if it's unflattering, if it's clinging to me, if you know what I mean, you get it. So I picked up this tank top. This is a Nike tank top, and it's kind of coming across lavender. I guess it is kind of lavender. It says Nike in this ombre lavender. It is like a royal blue, and it just has a back like that. I got this for like 40% off, and these are so good. They're definitely oversized in your regular size. They're so light. They kind of stretch a little bit too if you yank on them, and they're just really light and so comfortable. And I like a neck that goes down a little bit. Like, I don't want to show a ton of cleavage and have a peep show at the gym, but I do like to look feminine when I'm at the gym as well. And this is just amazing. I absolutely love it, but my favorite one is this one, and I think the light is kind of drowning it out. This one is more of a blush pink, and it is ombre as well. It's long sleeve and black, and sometimes I just get self-conscious about my arms and I want to wear something long sleeve, but this is so light that I would definitely wear it in the spring to like do a run in the morning or in the summer. And it's just really like oversized, but not in a sloppy way. I just love, love, love these tops. I'm definitely going to buy a few more of these when my bank account kind of recovers from these treat yourself shopping sprees that I've been going on. But I need a new clothes, like, right? I need a new clothes. A girl needs a few nice things every once in a while. So that about wraps up this video, you guys. It was super long. I know you guys say you like long videos. Hopefully that still holds true and you don't hate me after this one for just rambling so much. Don't forget, links to everything that I purchased will be in the description box below. Make sure you read any little notes that I have by my links. I do blabber just as much on the keyboard as I do in person. And yeah, and they're not affiliate links. They're just there to make it easier for you guys to shop if you see something that you like. Don't forget to download the Poshmark app and start cleaning out your closet or adding some new amazing pieces to it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more like these, or give me suggestions for what else you would want to see from me. And I will see you back in my next video. Bye, guys.